have a jotter, get something, your notepad, type it, write down what is it that you really want, because you are going to get to a point that you will not feel like doing anything or creating any video content. And one thing that will keep you on track is going back to the drawing board, going back to see your goal, your vision, your mission. Hello, you are welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I am Ijaperigang, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things you need to do before you start your YouTube channel the right way. I, for once, I have done a lot of mistakes. I've made a lot of mistakes on this street of YouTube, and I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake. So that is why I'm going to share with you tip number 1 is to have a business plan. Have a plan for your YouTube, and I've done a PDF that I've been sharing for free on this channel, how to write a business plan. Your business plan, your YouTube also is a business. If you are starting a YouTube channel, is also treat it like a business. So you need to have a plan for your YouTube channel. The second tip I will be sharing with you is you need to pick a topic for your channel. It's very important. Like me now, my channel is all about for entrepreneurs and content creators, people who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. But at the same time, I always encourage people, don't narrow down too much. I also have a complete video on naming your YouTube channel and the advantage and disadvantages of using only your name or using a different name to start your YouTube channel. I will link that video in the description of this video. So it's very important. You should have a channel topic. What is that one thing that you can keep talking about for the rest of your life? Like me, I love teaching, I love entrepreneurship. Because of my love for entrepreneurship, after studying chemical engineering, I went back to school after having 3 kids and started from 100 level to study entrepreneurship and business management. So what is that one thing that you're so passionate about that you can talk about for the rest of your life? And secondly, what is that thing that also resonates more with your audience? But the second question is, you only know it after you have started. The third tip I'm going to share with you is you need to have a clear goals for your channel. It's very important. Why are you starting your YouTube channel? What are your end goals? What are you trying to do? Why is the reason behind your reason for starting a YouTube channel? Is it because you want viewers on your music video, or is it because you want to start earning money, or you just have a passive income? So what is the reason? You need to have a clear goal. What is your vision? What do you want, or how do you want to see your YouTube channel in the next 3 months, in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year? Have a clear goal. Have a note. Have a jotter, get something, your notepad, type it, write down what is it that you really want, because you are going to get to a point that you will not feel like doing anything or creating any video content. And one thing that will keep you on track is going back to the drawing board, going back to see your goal, your vision, your mission. So it's very important. The fourth tip I'm going to share with you is you need to design your YouTube channel. It's important. I made that mistake and it cost me a lot. So in designing your YouTube channel, you need to write what about you. What is your channel all about? You need to create a channel art. Like me, I didn't even have a channel art until I get to 1,000 subscribers, which is very wrong. You need to check your profile. Some of you have your YouTube channel but don't even have a profile picture. Please try as much as you can to ensure that the profile picture is there on your YouTube channel. Your branding, you need to also have watermark. You can add watermark to your videos. Like me, the reason why someone was able to download my video and use it to scam people about POS business on Facebook is because I did not have a watermark on my video. But since then, I've always been adding watermark. Either I put my Instagram handle up or I add my watermark, the subscribe button below. It's very important. So you need to also have a branding for your channel. It's very important. You need to tell them on your channel ads, tell them how many times do you upload video. Is it once a week, twice a week, and how often you do that, as well as what your channel is all about should be added to your channel art. And if you don't know how to create a channel art, in the description of this video I'm going to add the link to the video I made on how you can also create a channel art for your channel, or you can comment channel art in the comment section of this video. I will always come back and find the video and give you the link here below in the comment section of the video. The next tip I will also share with you is you need to have a channel trailer. Like, I did not create a channel trailer until I have up to 3,000 subscribers, which is very wrong. Honestly, it's very wrong. I noticed the shift the moment I added a channel trailer. You see my trailer will just say yeah, that's what I can come up with for now. I can change it later and it's okay. So you need to have a channel trailer. It's also help you to differentiate you so that people will know you for who you are, for what you do. And in your trailer you can add your name or maybe your Instagram handle or about you. It's very important. The sixth tip I'm going to share with you, which I did that from the beginning and I'm so grateful for that, is you need to create a playlist. Oh, what is a playlist? If you check my channel now, if you click on playlist, you discover that a playlist is where I put together a particular set of video on a particular topic. Like, I have a playlist on YouTube on YouTube growth. I have a playlist on YouTube channel strategy. I have a playlist on starting POS business. I have a playlist on graphic design. I have a playlist on ebook publishing. So once I pick a particular topic, since I'm talking about entrepreneurship in general, there is no way I can talk about one subject for the rest of my life. But as much as I can, I ensure I bring them together in a playlist. So there are sometimes, if I go to some channel, if I want to learn something, I'll just go straight, click on the playlist, and you see all the videos. Like, if you go to my channel right now, if you click on YouTube strategy, you will see all the videos about YouTube strategy. So you need to create playlists for yourself. And if you don't know how to create playlists, also I will link a video to this to description of this video on how you can also create a playlist for your videos on YouTube. The seventh tip I'm going to share with you, which and I know a lot of people used to make this mistake, is promote your channel. Some people, because you are already famous on Facebook, or you are famous on Instagram, you feel ashamed talking about your new channel because you don't have much subscriber. Please wake up from that sleep. Even Coca-Cola still advertise. Coca-Cola, Coke, they are still advertising. So please carry your ego, keep it aside, and be serious, because this is also a business. So keep your ego aside and advertise. Talk about your channel. Share with other followers on your YouTube or on your Instagram or even on your Facebook group, whatever it takes. Some people are not even using their IG story, they are not using their Facebook story, they are not using their WhatsApp status. What is it for? You can use that to also share. Sometimes I'll just pick my custom thumbnail and just upload it as my WhatsApp status, and I'll say, if you want to know more, ask me how. And you see people will be asking me how. As many as are asking how, I'll just give them the link to that video. So you never know which one person that will share that video that will make it to go viral. So you need to advertise your channel. Is very important. The eighth tip I'm going to share with you is you need to engage with other people and make friends. Yes, there are a lot of people I met here on YouTube, on other people's channels. So you need to engage. If you discover that, okay, this particular person, I like her content, and believe you me, right now there are more than 20 to 30 people right now that have created their YouTube channel just within this week because of this tutorial that I've been sharing on YouTube channel growth. So you can comment and ask who else, you can even ask in the comment section, who else is starting up her YouTube channel. Please come, let's together and grow. You never know. There are some people that maybe their own will grow faster and they will pick you up. You will grow together. So you need to make friends, engage with other people's content. Is very important here on YouTube. Yes, I know most of your friends are on Facebook. Also, YouTube also, if you want to grow on YouTube, you need to make friends on YouTube. I don't know whether you have ever noticed that if you don't buy things online, people hardly buy from you. If you don't like watching YouTube videos, people wouldn't want to watch yours. It's very important. If you don't like subscribing to people's channel, people wouldn't want to subscribe to yours. I'm not saying subscribe to me, sub to me, I'll sub to you. I'm not talking about that. But generally, some of us are just so stingy with subscribing or turning the notification. They will not charge you. they won't charge you. So it's very important. Do to others what you want them to do for you. Make friends. Loosen up. Loosen up. Loosen up is very important. Make friends and smile all the time. Alright, the 9th tip I'm going to share with you today is educate yourself about the YouTube algorithm. Just like as I'm creating this video, I just finished creating another video on getting viewers and the YouTube algorithm. I'm really working hard on that so that I can also share with you. As much as I'm learning, I will also be sharing with you about YouTube and YouTube algorithm. You need to educate yourself a lot about that, and that is another video completely on its own, so I don't want to waste your time much on that. I also share a video that how I moved from 0 to 3,000 subscribers, and I know it's going to help you a lot. You need to also watch that video, and I'm going to add it to the end screen. At the end of this video, you will see it here. You will just click on it, how I moved from 0 to 3,000 subscribers, and you continue watching. And by the other side, I'm going to put on the screen, you will just touch it and to show you all the playlists about YouTube growth and YouTube strategy. The 10th tip I'm going to share with you today is you need to upload at least 5 videos before you start sharing your YouTube channel. It's very important, because the moment you start sharing it from the first time, a lot of people would want to come and see, and by the time they come and you did not give them reason why they should subscribe or stay to your channel, you are going to lose a lot, and it's going to be hard to gain their trust again. So you need to try as much as you can to film your video, edit it, upload it on your YouTube channel, at least 5 before you now started sharing people. Tell people you are launching your YouTube channel. By the time they come, they will see reason why they should stay with your channel, because you have already done your branding, you have done your channel ads, you have beautiful custom thumbnail on your videos, and they would like to stay. You understand? So it's very important you do that. So if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. If you are not following me on Instagram, you are missing a lot. Kindly go there and follow me on Instagram. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Kindly click on that subscribe button. Turn on the notification so that you get latest notification on our videos. Again, if you are camera shy, maybe that's the reason why you have not started your video. I have a video on that, how to be comfortable filming your video by yourself with your mobile phone. If you don't know how to edit, I also did that with your mobile phone. If you don't know how to film, I also show you that with your mobile phone. I'm doing this filming with just my mobile phone, so I'm sharing with you a lot of content. So I don't know, if you don't love me, what else we will love at this time, especially when it is my birthday month. Let me get serious for once. Bye.